Yo, 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 what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Ladies and gentlemen. So I am seeing right now that I'm gonna call it in real time. This could be a possible long trade right here. Stop loss here, and you trade this right here. This could be a possible trade. Let's see if it works out or not. But um, going back to the actual trades I took today. So welcome back. Today is a trading recap. Today is Tuesday, July 14th. We're at the half of the month now, and my goal was for this was to take a payout this month. Um, so let me see. Mm, okay, let's get started with today. So on the hourly time frame, we are in a very strong range, like as you can see right here. I can do this. Then you can see a whole straight bunch of fucking consolidation. Um, and on the 15-minute time frame today, uh, it looked really good. Oh shit, my fault. Let me see this. Boom, boom, and I saw big rejection here and here of previous day's low. Big rejection here, big rejection here. So that's one, two, three, four times rejection, almost five right here. So that to me was a support. The price couldn't get through, right? Then, if we drop down to the 1 minute right here, or maybe even the 3 minute, if we drop down right here, um, all this time, start of day VWAP is right here, which is anchored to the 18, right? So as you can see, the day closes, Asia session starts. That's when the start of day VWAP, and this is previous day New York VWAP, which it starts at 9:30 and it's a VWAP too, right? I don't know if there's a better way to explain it, and I'm trying to explain it in the best way possible. Okay. Um, so because I saw a lot of support at previous day's low and price couldn't get past down that support, and then started a VWAP here, and then we closed, and then 9:30 form around this one. To me, I was looking more for longs than shorts, right? A lot of support here. CPI came in bullish. I'm sorry. Yeah, CPI came in bullish. I would say I was looking for longs. Definitely, I was looking for longs. There's nothing else I can say. So we drop down to the 1 minute time frame. We wait for 9:30 to 9:45. That's the opening range, and we wait for for the high or the low to be taken. So 9:35, 9:30 high to 9:45 low. 9:30 to 9:45 low. High and low. This is MES, right? So we see a break of the high. So right here, this is the highest point from 9:35 to through 9:45. We see the break, boom, the high. So like I always said on my past videos, we got four type of trades: double break long, double break short, break and retest long, break and retest short. So in this case, I played break and retest long. So why is that? Because we got a break of the opening range high and a retest of the New York VWAP, which is this blue VWAP, and it's anchored as soon as 9:30 opens, right? Boom, 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 boom. Price comes down here, right? I see a strong close, so that's my entry confirmation right here. Strong close, entry confirmation. That's my long. Stop loss at the low, and I'm just waiting for another impulse higher, right? To make a new higher high. What happens? One time, two times, three times, four times, we failed to make a new high right here, and we closed below New York B. What did I do? I closed it. I closed my trade. Easy as that. I closed my trade. It should have made a new high if it wanted to continue going higher. Close my trade right here. Boom. At the same time, look at what you called NQ. NQ hadn't broke neither the high or the low, and at the time we closed below. Look at the way NQ was looking. So this is the same candle of when I got out. Almost the same candle. Look. Do you see how close we were to taking opening range low? So I just decided to cut my loss and mitigate my risk. That's easy as that. Then that's easy, my original stop loss was here. I close manually. Then I wait for all of this to happen, right? And I'm not liking the shorts. I'm liking the shorts because everything is aligned bullish. Did the shorts work? Yes, they did. Did the double break short win? Yes, it did. I'm waiting. I'm still looking for longs. Price comes, trades down to opening range low and rejects at the start of day VWAP right here. I also got it over here. Start of day VWAP. Cl- Closes back above New York VWAP and previous day New York VWAP, and I take a long position, which is right here. You can see this blue line right here. Boom. I wait on all days consolidation for around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. And then we see this strong close above the previous high. I added to my position right there, right here, and I got out right here. So I got out like somewhere around here. That's my trade. Those are my two trades. Easy as that. I don't think there's a better way. I don't want to overcomplicate it for you guys. I don't want to make it, but sell side liquidity. Um, Let me see what else I can say. I can make it sound fancy for y'all. I can make it sound professional for y'all. I can make it sound like I am the best trader just because I use fancy words like y'all. You know, I can do any of that, right? I can do this. Um, IFBG plus fair value gap, which perfectly aligns with a fair value gap. What do y'all call that? A BPR. So we got one IFBG, we got two fair value gaps, we got three BPR, right? Then uh, we also got this change in the state of delivery. Uh, we can also call it a breaker block. We took salsa liquidity, so I can make all this fancy shit, right? I'm not trying to overcomplicate it for you guys. This is the 930 high, 930 to 945 low. We took it, rejection and started a VWAP, traded back above New York VWAP, which means buyers are in control after taking this low. I go in, stop loss at the low, I target the opposite side, target previous structure, this high. That's it. Nothing else, nothing less. Double break long. This first trade was a break and retest long. This trade is a double break long. There's no more, there's no simpler way to explain that. And I don't want to make it overcomplicated for you guys. So thank you for watching. And yeah, that's it for me. I think it's a bad time to do this because of what I just saw happen to Alpha. But this is my code. If any of y'all want to use it, JORDY 027719. Thank you for watching, y'all. And hopefully y'all learned something. And if y'all have any questions, just let me know. Thank you for watching, y'all. Oh, I almost forgot. Account summary. I lost 55 on the first trade. This one over here, I lost 55 on this one, and I made 65 on this one. So I made back my loss plus 10 more dollars. And this is what my account is sitting at, 165 profit. So that's it. Thank you for watching.